Hi there, Chris Fox here. I'm at the Waterloo Central today. We're again working on 9114, their Budd RDC car. And what they have is it is very interesting. So, backstory is the engine number 1, I got a call from them saying the transmission oil, that's the transmission here, the transmission oil, for whatever reason, looks like butterscotch. That's not good. It is not supposed to look like that at all. Okay, what that is coolant or water in the oil. That means we have to replace that guy. That guy there is the oil cooler for the transmission. Okay. So what you have is from the engine in here, so I can get a light, I'll show you. From the engine right there, the engine here, that's your water inlet, and from the water inlet it goes into the oil cooler, and then those other two lines right there, those are transmission oil lines. So we have to take this out, and we're replacing it with this one. Now, I've taken the ends off just to make sure that there's no debris or anything in this, and that's what it looks like in the end. That's an oil cooler. Okay, so again, these are your oil lines, and your coolant goes through the holes. So inside this chamber, all these tubes are separated from the oil that's in here. And the idea is that the coolant flows through these holes and then takes the heat from the oil, and then it gets cooled by the radiator. Okay, so there's a heat, basically it's a heat transfer, right? It's called an oil cooler. And I have to drop that one out, just right there. We've got it unhooked, we just need to drop it out. And then we will install this one. This one is in really good shape. Has very little hours on it, if any hours at all. I got this one out of Moncton, and I was told it was a brand new one. But it wasn't brand new in the case because it had fittings on it, which tells me it was installed in an RDC that they scrapped. But they're right, it has hardly any hours on it. Okay, so we will show you in a little bit. Give you an idea of what the oil cooler looks like by looking through it. That's kind of what it looks like. All right, so we got the unit out of here, and it's all out. It was fun, but it was all out.
Very fun, I'd say.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'd do it again.
Yeah. Let's not.
Let's not.
What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah. What do you think?
About what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, once we get everything leveled up here and straightened up, we'll get the aftercooler touch on the one side, and then we'll have to adjust some pipes, but it should be pretty straightforward.
All right, let's get it in.
Sounds good.
All right, cooler. The oil cooler is in. You can see we have pieces here.
Got the rack.
Yeah, got the AMOT valve in, and got the rest of it there from those unions there back. Got the flange all done here.
Yeah,
And we have it mounted.
Yeah.
And the only thing we still have to do is tap off that end there and put the pipe into the hole here, which then goes to the water manifold on the engine.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We're looking, so it's going a lot better than we expected it to, so.
Yeah, it does. It is. It's actually not too bad. We do still have to hook up the pipes here, which are the actual oil pipes.
Yeah.
But the nice bit about these is that these are from flexible couplings farther down there, so we can actually undo them, slide them to match. Because right now they don't match up, and we will match them up. So, all right, more in a bit. Okay, so we have the oil cooler in, and we have this bypass, which we have. We're gonna flush the transmission. So we're just flushing it now. Gonna fill it with kerosene and flush it.
Hey, you notice the starters puking out oil?
Yeah. Flushing the transmission now. What?
Hey guys, just want to give you a comparison as to what we're dealing with here. So I'm going to pull the dipstick right now. And we've got the renewed oil inside the transmission. If you look at it, it's nice and clean, nice and clear. No signs of any contamination or milkiness in the color. All right. And now we'll give you a comparison to what the old oil used to look like. Yeah, from the old filter. All right, so here's the old filter we pulled off, and is the dipstick we just had. I'll just play the, so there. You can see the difference in color. Nice butterscotch, yellowy color there, a lot thicker. That's not what you want. Stay tuned for more.
Okay, so we got the oil cooler in. It's all hooked up. Got antifreeze in it right now. Got all the oil lines hooked up. So we took the bypass out, flushed the transmission like you saw, and now everything's hooked back up normal. The only thing we have to still do is rewrap the pipes. But so far, everything is good. We're gonna fire it up here. So yeah, give it a fire up there, Brian.
All right, buddy. There we go.
Job actually to change this out. We got low antifreeze weight. We're gonna have a transmission fluid. Pretty clean. Needs a little more flush. It'll be good. Yeah. Sounds good. Right on. Job well done.
I agree.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good one.